The Rabbiteye blueberry is a native blueberry that comes from the southeast, growing naturally from Texas to North Carolina and down to Florida. Wild species have small berries, so it is best to grow a selected form. This form is called Premier and is a top choice for vigor and for producing a big crop of large berries of excellent color and flavor. It was released in 1978 after being developed in a breeding program at South Carolina State University, with the assistance of the Agricultural Research Service of the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Blueberries are native to North America and have been a part of life here for 13,000 years. The first high bush blueberry bush was successfully cultivated for commercial production in the early 1900s, and today we grow nearly 1 billion pounds of blueberries in North America each year. Premier grows into a compact bush just 6 to 8 feet tall, and it carries a big harvest of large berries which ripen in May and June. It grows best in full sun or partial shade and well-drained soil. The Premier blueberry should be grown in acidic soil with a pH between 4.0 and 6.0. Premier's fruit has excellent flavor, light blue color, and a dry scar, and they are highly productive. The best buddy for a blueberry plant is a rhododendron, since these plants also thrive in sunshine and acidic soil. Rhododendrons are generous with their beautiful blossoms, adding ornamental value to your garden. The foliage of rhododendrons offer valuable shade to the sensitive blueberry roots during the summer heat. Some other companions that do well or to consider is basil, thyme, parsley, dill, azaleas, and lilacs. Blueberries can help heart health, bone strength, skin health, blood pressure, diabetes management, cancer prevention, and mental health. They are a low-calorie, nutrient-rich fruit. They are a good source of carbohydrates, including fiber. They also contain several vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. Scientists have found many benefits in blueberries due to the micronutrients they provide.